Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Useful AI Hacks, your premier destination for everything AI. Today, we're breaking down the most exciting headlines shaking up the AI industry. First up, OpenAI is reportedly planning to raise up to $40 billion in a SoftBank led round. That could potentially push their valuation to an eye-watering $300 billion. But that's not all. Rumors suggest OpenAI is working on a new AI-powered social media network. It's potentially poised to rival platforms like X. Meanwhile, Anthropic is growing fast in Europe, hiring over 100 roles in London and Dublin. They're also forming key partnerships, like their recent deal with Databricks. UK public sector officials have even been meeting with Anthropic and Google. They're exploring future AI use cases together. DeepSeek is making waves with its new model R1, a ChatGPT-style assistant. It has rocketed to the #1 spot on the Apple App Store. Grok is rolling out advanced features, including workspace creation and transparent memory. Those changes could significantly disrupt crypto trading workflows. Then there's Google, quietly setting new benchmarks in enterprise AI. They are working on Gemini 2.5 Pro and the next-gen Ironwood TPU. And finally, AWS is bringing the global spotlight to India with its two-day AI summit in Bengaluru, themed From India to the World, Innovating the Future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Useful AI Hacks to stay updated. See you in the next one.